Hello, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's class, you are going to learn about the use of might have. Basically, might have is used to express the possibility of something occurring in the past. Let's see what is the formula of might have and how to make sentences by using might have. एसेंट्स आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे माइट हैव का बतौर मॉडल वर्ब इस्तेमाल। माइट हैव को हम ऐसे जुमलों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं ज़माना माजी के लिए जिनका ज़माना माजी में होना मुमकिन हो। आइए देखते हैं इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, इसकी उर्दू में पहचान क्या है और इसके जुमले किस तरह बनाए जाते हैं। The formula of might have is subject plus might have plus verb third form plus object. Its identification in Urdu is if there is हो सकता था or शायद at the beginning of the sentence in Urdu we use might have as a model verb in English. Let's see how to make sentences by using the formula of might have. They might have wasted their time. शायद वो अपना वक्त ज़ाया करते. They might have punished us. हो सकता था वो हमें सज़ा देते. Aslam might have gone to Karachi. शायद असलम कराची चला जाता. We might have informed you about this decision. शायद हम आपको इस फैसला से आगाह करते. आमिर might have bought a new smartphone. शायद आमिर एक नया स्मार्टफोन खरीदता. जमील might not have told a lie. हो सकता था जमील झूठ ना बोलता. They might not have worked in this office. हो सकता था वो इस दफ्तर में काम ना करते. The farmers might not have irrigated the fields. हो सकता था किसान खेतों को पानी ना देते. I might not have argued on this matter. शायद मैं इस मसले पर आपसे बहस ना करता. It might not have rained today. हो सकता था आज बारिश ना होती. Essence, one thing which is very important to remember, that is how to make negative sentences when we use might have as a model verb. So just put not between might and have. The sentence becomes negative. As the first sentence is Jamil might not have told a lie. And the second sentence, they might not have worked in this office. And the third sentence was the farmers might not have irrigated the fields. So this is the way to make sentences as negative, because when we use might have as a model verb we don't have interrogative sentences, we just make affirmative and negative sentences. So remember it, don't forget. Since it was all about the use of might have as a model verb, I hope after learning might have as a model verb you can make many sentences and your English would be better than before. So keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.